Hi, my name is Seth Huber, and I developed the SpringEase brace. First, a little bit about me. I graduated from BYU in June. I studied manufacturing engineering, and I got a minor in business management. So I first started thinking about partially offloading braces back in August 2018 when I had a friend break both his feet. As I watched him struggle through the recovery process, I was surprised that there was no devices that could help him in a significant way. And so back in September of 2018, I made my first prototype of a partially offloading device. That project kind of got put on the side though, until fall 2019 when my sister developed severe plantar fasciitis. And it was then that I decided to really look into this problem, see if there was an opportunity. So I talked to podiatrists, I talked to surgeons, I posted on Facebook heel pain groups, and just tried to really learn all I could about the space and about the problems and opportunities there. And so as I was talking with people, I realized that there's a large problem and also a large opportunity. The problem being that post-operative patients and people who suffer with severe plantar fasciitis need partial offloading for rehab and recovery. But current options such as walking boots, crutches, and custom devices don't fill that need very well. For example, walking boots cause limb imbalance, which changes gait, which can cause problems. It also restricts foot and ankle movement, which can cause other problems that have to be dealt with in physical therapy down the road. And with all of these options, there's an inability to control the amount of offload. A podiatrist can't really tell their patient on crutches, today I want you to only load 70% of your body weight onto your foot. That's just not a feasible thing to do. So in this problem, though, there's an opportunity because every year, approximately 400,000 Americans undergo a foot and ankle surgery, and 500,000 more suffer from severe plantar fasciitis. So as I was talking with podiatrists, physical therapists, and patients, I got an overwhelmingly positive response about the need for a partially offloading device that was adjustable and where offloading could be controlled. So this led me to working on the design. So after many iterations and prototypes, I developed the SpringEase brace pictured here. And so the SpringEase brace has a rockered non-slip base and adjustable spring offloading. So the two tubes you see there, there's a spring at the top of each of them that is compressed when the wearer steps down. Those springs can easily be removed by unscrewing the caps at the top of the tube, and different springs can be put in to adjust the amount of offload the wearer will experience. The brace upper is a fabric foam upper with pockets that the spring housings slide into. On the inside of the upper is a gel that helps the upper not slide up the wearer's leg when load is applied and helps transfer the load around the leg. So here's how the brace works. The wearer will attach the brace to their leg, leaving a gap between their foot and the bottom of the brace. As the wearer applies load, the springs in the brace will compress and translating the load around the foot and ankle to the lower leg. As the wearer continues to put load, their foot will contact the ground where they can just do a normal heel toe off. In order to prove the efficacy of the device, one of the things that I've done is to take force data by using an insole sensor. Here's some of the data that came from that testing. So in this scenario, the wearer, the loading on their foot and ankle was as if they were 44% lighter. So some next steps for SpringEase is to refine the design to really get it ready for manufacturing. And concurrently with efforts on that front would be efforts to test, to prove that this works and that it will be advantageous for patients. So things like pressure and gait tests and piloting with podiatrists. And those, as the brace is proved efficacious and the design finalized, then we can begin manufacturing and sales. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time.